Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Practice.
Hello! We are very happy to see you today.
My name is John.
And my name is Mary.
This is an English podcast for beginners.
Yes, we speak slowly, clearly, and simply.
Today's topic is very important.
Yes, today we are talking about your family.
Mary, what is family?
Family is the people we love.
Family is very important.
Yes, family helps us.
Family makes us happy.
Today, we will learn how to talk about family in English.
Dear listeners, this lesson is for English beginners.
You can listen and repeat.
Pause the video if you want.
Speak out loud.
Do not be afraid.
Making mistakes is okay.
Let's start with basic family words.
Please listen and repeat. Father.
Father.
My father is kind.
My father works hard.
Mother.
My mother is caring.
My mother cooks food.
Brother.
I have one brother.
My brother is funny.
Sister.
I have two sisters.
My sister is friendly.
Now let's make easy sentences.
Repeat after us.
I have a family.
I have a family.
My family is small.
My family is big.
Mary, is your family big?
Yes, my family is big.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
That's nice. What about you, John? My family is small.
How many people?
There are 3 people in my family.
We say,
There are for many people.
there is for one person.
Examples.
There is one brother.
There are 2 sisters.
Let's talk about parents.
Parents are father and mother.
I love my parents.
My parents support me.
Easy practice.
My father is kind.
My mother is kind.
My parents are kind.
My parents help me.
Let's do a short conversation.
Okay.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I do.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Who are they?
My father, my mother, my brother, and me.
Now it's your turn. Please answer these questions.
Do you have a family?
How many people are in your family?
Do you have a brother or a sister?
You are doing great.
Yes, keep practicing.
English is easy when you practice.
And family is a beautiful topic.
Now we will talk about family jobs.
Yes, we will use simple English.
Please listen carefully.
Let's talk about fathers.
What does your father do?
My father is a teacher.
My father is a farmer.
Your father works on a farm.
Yes, he grows food.
My father works.
My father has a job.
My father is busy.
My father helps people. Now let's talk about mothers.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a nurse.
My mother is a housewife.
That's nice.
My mother works at home.
My mother works in a hospital.
My mother cooks food.
My mother takes care of us.
We use the simple present tense.
We use it for daily life.
My father works.
My mother cooks.
My brother studies.
My sister plays.
Let's talk about brothers and sisters.
Do you have a brother?
Yes, I do.
What does he do?
He is a student.
My brother studies.
My brother goes to school.
My sister reads books.
My sister likes music. Now let's talk about daily life.
What does your family do every day?
We eat together.
We talk together.
We help each other.
In the morning, my family wakes up early.
My family eats breakfast together.
What does your father do?
He goes to work.
What do you do?
I go to school. Now let's talk about grandparents.
Grandparents are very special.
Vocabulary.
Grandfather?
Grandmother.
I love my grandparents.
My grandparents are kind.
My grandfather tells stories.
My grandmother cooks food.
Do you live with your grandparents?
Yes, I do.
That's nice.
They help our family.
My grandparents live with us.
My grandparents live near us.
I visit my grandparents.
I talk to my grandparents.
We ask questions using do and does.
Do for I, you, we, they.
Does for he, she.
Examples.
Do you have a brother?
Yes, I do.
Does your father work?
Yes, he does.
Let's have a longer talk.
Do you have a big family?
Yes, I do.
Who are in your family?
My parents, my sister, and my grandparents.
What does your father do?
He is a driver.
What does your mother do?
She works at home.
Now it's your turn.
Please answer.
What does your father do?
What does your mother do?
Do you have grandparents?
You are doing very well.
Your English is improving.
Talking about family is easy.
Practice every day.
Now we will talk about feelings.
Feelings are very important in family life.
Common family feelings. Easy words. Happy,
Sad,
proud,
thankful.
loved. Easy sentences.
I love my family.
My family makes me happy.
I feel safe with my family.
I am proud of my parents.
Let's practice.
Okay,
How do you feel about your family?
I feel happy.
Why?
My family supports me and cares for me.
How do you feel when you are with your family?
I feel calm and loved.
We say, I feel, you feel.
We say, he feels, she feels.
Examples.
I feel happy.
She feels proud.
They feel thankful.
Now let's talk about family traditions.
Traditions are things we do again and again.
Easy examples.
We eat together.
We pray together.
We visit grandparents.
We celebrate holidays.
Does your family have traditions?
Yes, we do.
What do you do?
We eat dinner together every night.
What about your family?
We meet every weekend.
Now, let's talk about celebrations.
Families celebrate many things.
Common celebrations.
Birthdays,
Holidays.
New Year.
Family gatherings.
We celebrate birthdays.
We eat special food.
We give gifts.
We spend time together.
How does your family celebrate birthdays?
We eat cake and talk together.
Do you invite friends?
Yes, sometimes.
Now let's talk about the past.
We use simple past words.
Examples.
Yesterday, we visited our grandparents.
Last year, we traveled together.
We had a family dinner.
We were happy.
Use words like yesterday,
Last week.
last year.
What did your family do last weekend?
We visited our grandparents.
How was it?
It was very nice.
Now let's talk about the future.
We use will.
I will visit my family.
We will eat together.
We will celebrate together.
I will help my family.
What will you do with your family next week?
We will have dinner together.
That sounds good. Use will for the future.
Will plus verb.
Examples.
I will call my parents.
We will meet our family.
Let's have a longer conversation.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I do.
Why?
They support me and care for me.
What do you do together?
We eat, talk, and laugh together.
How do you feel?
I feel happy and thankful.
Talking about family is easy.
You already know many words.
Practice every day.
Speak slowly and clearly.
Now it's your turn.
Answer these questions.
Who is in your family?
How do you feel about your family?
What will you do with your family next time?
You did a great job today.
We are proud of you.
Your English is improving.
Keep practicing every day.
Thank you for listening.
This was Talking About Your Family.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.